In this tutorial, we'll guide you step by step on how to hide your followers list on Instagram, safeguarding your privacy and maintaining control over who can view your follower count. If you are someone who values their online privacy, this video is for you. This works for both iOS and Android devices, so just follow my steps. When we open our Instagram application and go to our Instagram profile, by default, anyone can go and open our followers and following list and see who follows us. Anyone on Instagram can see who is following us, so that may be a privacy concern. There is a simple little trick on how you can fix that, and you do it by tapping on the three lines at the top right corner of the screen, and then go over to the Settings and Privacy option. The next step is to find the Account Privacy option and open it. In here you'll see a setting called Private Account, so you can enable it. A private account is a great feature that disables anyone from seeing your followers list, as well as your photos, videos, and Instagram Reels. The only people who can see your followers and your content are the people who follow you on Instagram. Only they can access your list. But if you don't want a specific follower to see your list, you can always remove them from your followers. They won't be notified that you've removed them, and when you do remove them, they won't see your followers and following list. There is no way to completely make this list private for now. Instagram allows your followers to see the list, but maybe they will add some option in the future where we can make our followers list completely private. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.